It is Tuesday, August 19th, and I just have finished a big win. This is our countertops. It's hard to tell in this lighting, but it matches the flooring. I have taken and done a light wash over the wood and then used tabletop epoxy to clear coat it. And it's all taped off so it doesn't drip, you know, all the problems that go along with drippy epoxy. But I think that's gonna look really nice. And because it's the same coloring as the floor and the cabinets will be the same coloring as the wall, I'm hoping that it makes the size look a little bit better. And Cory, he has been working in here and he's got the wall scabbed out. Now this is all going to have plastic sheeting on it. The entire bathroom will have the plastic sheeting to surround the tub and this wall over here and the sink. And I think I showed you the sink and panel for the tub that will also match the floor. Again, I'm hoping that by having continuity in the colors of the floors, the countertops, and the cabinets to the walls, that it will make everything look a little bit brighter and bigger, because campers are small. And underneath you see the panels that I have been working on that all have maps on them, and I finished up another large panel today over here, and it's got some of our favorite places like Greece, where Cory drove us in a minivan, 6 of us all over Greece, and Pompeii. We went on our honeymoon to Pompeii, and of course all of Europe there. And then over here we've got Albania, Cyprus, and Greece, and again that area of Greece that Cory got to drive all over. So yeah, everything in the trailer is going to be kind of a memory for us. It'll be fun. So that's what we've been doing today. And you know, I mean, yes, it looks like a construction site as always. Always an adventure. Always. If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.